The electromagnetic wave spectrum consists of waves that are characterized according to their frequencies and wavelengths. Starting with gamma rays, which has the shortest wavelength but the highest frequency, it is produced in cosmic events and nuclear reactions. It is widely used in radiotherapy and sterilization of medical equipments. But too much exposure to gamma radiation can cause radiation sickness and cancer.
X-ray have a frequency of 30 exahertz to 300 petahertz, have a wavelength of 10 picometer to 1 nanometer, which can penetrate soft tissues but not the bones. They are used in medical imaging, airport security, and astronomy. However, prolonged exposure can damage cells and increase cancer risk.
Moving down, we have the ultraviolet rays or UV that comes from the sun and other artificial sources. They are used for sterilization, black lights, and vitamin D production. Though excessive exposure can cause skin burns, eye damages, and skin cancer. Now, visible light. It is the only part of the spectrum that we can see. It is useful for vision, photography, fiber optics, but excessive light exposure can cause harm in your eyes.
Next, we have infrared radiation. So, it is most likely experienced as heat, and it's used in remote controls, thermal imaging, and night vision. But intense exposure can cause burns. Also, microwaves are widely used for communications, radar, and microwave ovens. And while they are generally safe, high intensity exposure can hit body tissues and cause burns.
And then finally, the radio waves. The radio waves have the longest wavelengths and lowest frequency. They are used in TV and radio broadcasting, mobile phones, and GPS. Although generally harmless, high-intensity exposure near powerful transmitters can have heating effects. This completes the electromagnetic spectrum from the highest to lowest energy levels.